we have a false sunrise trying to usurp the true sunrise. The false sunrise to symbolize falsehood, and the true sunrise, the Ikra, will symbolize truth. So one of the signs of the last day is falsehood taking over the world from truth. The West is today identified. The word West has already been taken over by modern Western civilization. This is the West. And the West has been produced by the Jewish-Christian alliance, about which we've been given a warning. In Surah Al-Ma'idah, verse number 49, you've heard me repeating it so many times. So beware of the false sunrise. It's a sign of the last day, the ascendancy of the West built on falsehood. Secondly, the sunrise is associated with day, not with night. And Allah says in the Quran that in the same way that He created the night and the day, so too did He create the male and the female. The sun rising from the west will represent therefore a reversal of the relationship between the day and the night. In other words, the night attempting to become day, and the day attempting to become night. That is already happening in the world today, with women assuming the functional role of men. The hadith is that women will dress like men. You see them in a jacket, in trousers, sometimes a tie. The blue jeans of the woman and the man hardly differs. She is dressing like a man, one of the reasons being she wants to assume the functional role of the man. As she dresses as a man to assume the functional role of a man, number one, she loses femininity. Number two, she loses fertility. And if you don't mind my mentioning, because it's mentioned in the context of knowledge, she also loses sexuality. The man would dress like a woman, said the Prophet ﷺ. And if a man dresses like a woman, a beard will come in the way. Oh yes. So that helps us to explain why the Western world has taken off the beard, so that this prophecy can be fulfilled about men dressing like women. And so the sun rising from the west has this implication as well. The west, the ascendancy of the west, and the false dawn, false sunrise, falsehood. And it brings in its wake an upside down world, which is most dramatically recognized in the upside down relationship between the male and the female, the sun, the day and the night.